You can use the dependency list to view your project's dependencies and keep track of details about those dependencies. This includes version numbers, location, and known vulnerabilities. It is a collection of dependencies in your project, including existing and new findings. Here we can see that one vulnerability was detected for our pip component, and you can see its severity, as well as a description of the vulnerability. When clicking on it, it will take you to the vulnerability report. This provides detailed information on the vulnerability and how to resolve it. You can also sort by severity, packager, and component name, and you can also export it as a JSON to use with other tools.